Hello everyone, welcome to the Playwright from Zero to Hero. I am Mahesh Patil and I will be your instructor for this course. I have designed 10 hours of detailed and structured content covering all the essential aspects of the Playwright framework. To follow along comfortably, you should be already familiar with JavaScript. If you are new to the JavaScript or transition from another framework, don't worry. I have included JavaScript fundamental module that covers the key concept you need. Course outline. Introduction to the Playwright. We will begin with a hands and overview of a Playwright framework, how to install it, run test via command line and UI mode, and understand folder structures and file definitions. This will help you to get comfortable with the Playwright environment. Next, Playwright fundamental. We will dive deep into how to locate web elements, use assertions, configure timeout, and extract values from the elements. UI components. We will focus on interacting with the UI elements like input fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, date pickers, more, with tips and techniques on how to handle them effectively. Page object design pattern. I will guide you through organizing your code using page objects, and we will build a scalable three-layer architecture that can be applied to the real world projects. API testing. We will move on to API testing, cover how to mock APIs, create API requests, set up test data, and manage API authentication. Advanced features. Finally, we will explore advanced playwright features like fixtures, global setup, and tear down, run tests in Dockers and more. How to succeed or follow the course. Follow the lecture in sequence as each build upon the previous one. If you if the pace feels too fast, pause the video, write the code and resume. Coding along with me is the best way to solidify your understanding. By the end of the course, you will have a solid foundation in Playwright and we will be ready to grow our automation skill further. Stay patient, take it step by step, and soon you will be Playwright hero. See you in the next class.